How to set torch on call in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Over here, scroll through the menu and select the Accessibility option. Now, from here select Audio and Visual option. Then, from the Visual section at the bottom, select LED Flash for alerts. After that, tap to turn on LED Flash for alerts, which uses the camera's LED light to blink for notifications like call and messages, serving a visual cue for people who are unable to hear sound alerts or are in a noisy environment. You can also turn on Flash in Silent Mode option, where the camera's flash will blink to signal incoming calls and notifications, even if the phone's ringer is silenced. Following these steps, you can easily set torch on call in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.